Hello everyone, I'm Metzli and welcome back to my living room. Hello everyone, I'm Metzli and today I bring you an unboxing. So Black Friday was here. No, not that one, the other one. The sales one, yeah. It would be the best day of my life if Freya would actually be here. I don't know if this is how you spell her real name. But yeah, that's how, at least how I read it. But anyway, I went a little bit crazy with the Black Friday shopping. Kind of feel a little bit bad about it. But I'm going to show you today what I got and we are going to unbox it together and see it. I'm so excited. I don't have everything that I acquired here with me right now, but I can't really wait for them to arrive and open them all at once. So I'm gonna open the first one that arrived, that is right here. It's from Killstar. It's the first one that arrived. That's nice. Okay, so some time has passed since we last talked, or that I talked with you. Yeah, I dyed my hair meanwhile. It's pink, purple, blue and green. And I dyed it at the end of September. Or beginning? I think beginning of September, yeah. So it's been a while, so it's kind of fading out the color already. What do you think? I still have my side shapes, both of them. This one here is kind of hidden. Yeah, and I already have my snake bites. I don't know if you can see at a distance, but yeah, they are done and I love them. So, now that I already told you the news, that's my hair and piercings, basically, let's start the unboxing. Okay. I was expecting this to arrive in a cardboard box, actually, not in plastic. But okay, it's black, so it's cool. I hope you can see, yeah. By airmail par avion. Ooh, très bien. I have a huge S scissor because I didn't find a smaller one. So yeah, I have a huge scissor with me. And I'm gonna put it in this side. Yeah? Yeah, I'm just checking if it's in frame. I don't want to be out of frame. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so a letter. Nice. Let's see. This is the letter. I hope you can see if my light is not too aggressive. Oh my god. Okay, I was seeing a picture. I was like, what is this? We are the weirdos. Oh, that's me. They included like some kind of promotional photos of their brand. And nothing else. I'm gonna keep this envelope. I was kinda expecting a message saying, "Hello Metzli, thank you for buying." By the way, this is not sponsored at all. I bought this with my money. It would be nice to receive a letter saying, "Thank you for buying. Do you want us to send you free stuff?" And I would say, hell yeah. This is a box. This is Killstar. And I think this is a wallet. The wallet comes in a kind of a stiff box. This is very well packaged. Oh my god. Okay, it's here. It's so cute. This is a Tokyo Nights wallet. It's from, this is kind of a, this must be fake leather. This is velvet. Oh my god, velvet, so smooth velvet. And it's so black, it's so cool. Let's open it up and see. Okay. Okay. Seems to have a decent size. I needed a new wallet, seriously. This is my wallet, my current wallet. And it's kind of smaller. I have these kind of studs here, black. It's just a black, very plain one. It's getting very torn apart on the inside. So I needed a new one and it opens up like this. It seems to have a lot of space for cards, more cards, and you have this little opening here for cash and coins. Yeah, you can put the coins here. You have a little opening with a zip. Yeah, that's cool. And you even have another zip on the outside, which they actually don't show this zip on the website, so I wasn't sure if they had it or not. I was kind of undecided about this one, or they have another wallet on their website that has a bat. I think it's like plain black with some kind of spider web stitching and a bat saying Killstar. And I was kind of decided if I should get that one or this one, but this one seemed to have more space, so I went for this one. You can almost use it as a clutch. It's almost as big to use as a clutch. Very nice. Where will I leave it? I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Is it out of the frame? It's out of the frame, so you don't see it, so I don't have basically just trash around me. Trash, don't bring me trash. Okay, so let's put this aside. Very nice. Let's see what else we have here. I almost sat on it. Okay, so next we have, I think are the leggings. I bought 4 items, so the wallet is the first one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so oh my god, this is so cool. This is a coffin shape. Okay, let me just show you against white. You know how I have white pillows in the couch, so I can put some black stuff against it and you see it. Because if everything was black, you couldn't see anything. So yeah, that's white. Some white among the dark. Nice, 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 nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's falling everywhere. Oh shit. Okay, calm down. Just stay there. Okay, so these are the Chaos Matrix leggings. Yeah, I'm looking over there because it's my laptop, it's here, just so I can see the name of the clothes to tell you. No desire to fit in. Well, I have desire to fit in these leggings, so I hope I bought the correct size. They seem to be short. I bought a size S. The measurements seemed very weird on the website. I don't know if you can see the size of it, but it seems to be very small. I hope it goes until the bottom of my feet, because I hate pants that don't go all the way down. I will try them on and I will show you, and we will see if they fit me, but I think they will fit me. This seems to be stretchy, kind of stretchy, because you know, leggings normally are stretchy. These leggings are black and have this kind of black print on them. One side it's a skeleton leg. You can see it's showing kind of, yeah, you can kind of see it. It's a black print, but it's shinier than the material. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's shinier, so you can see it. On the other leg you have skulls and more skulls and skulls all over it, basically. Just black, shiny skulls that you can see at the light. They were plain black, but at the same time they had some kind of different stuff happening there, and I thought they were really cool, and I hope they fit me. And I hope they are not as short as they seem to be. But I will try them on in a moment, and we will see.
Here they are, the Chaos Matrix leggings. These I'm trying on are the size M. The size S that I had ordered the first time turned out to be too tight, although I could squeeze myself into them. But I opted for the size above so it could fit better and feel more comfortable. So, as I just said, and as it's expected, they're very comfortable. They're made of cotton and elastane, and the fabric is not as thin as some other cheaper leggings. The length is decent. I like my leggings and jeans to be longer at the bottom, but these aren't too bad. The black print is shinier than the black fabric underneath, and it looks totally awesome. The waistband came with some defects in the stitching though. I don't remember the previous size having these same defects, so it could be just bad luck in the sample picked for me. Nonetheless, it's bad to get clothes with defects anywhere in them. For expensive leggings, one would expect them to be super careful with details like this.
Next, what do we have next? Next is this plushie. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I actually didn't see the measurements for the plushie. Oh, but it's so cool. Oh, look at it. This is so cute. This is not velvet, is it? They said it was velvet, but it doesn't seem. I mean, it kind of seems like velvet, but at the same time it doesn't seem like so. Oh, I thought this was so cool. They had more skeleton animals. I think they had a unicorn and a bat and a cat. If you saw my last video, you saw my 2 cats. So I like cats. and I thought it was the coolest one of the animals, and I liked it, and I thought it was so me and I had to have it. So yeah, I bought it. It has like a soft feeling, it's very soft, but it doesn't quite seem like velvet, like the wallet. Yeah, the wallet is more velvety, this one not so much, but it's cool nonetheless. Yeah, so it's a cat with a skeleton and the back is just plain black. But yeah, it's so cute, I love it, it's gonna look great in my bedroom. Aww. I'm gonna show this to my cats, I wonder if they'll get scared. Like, what are you doing with a skeleton cat? Yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, I love it. No. So, last... what's missing? I don't remember. This is a surprise. This is a surprise for everyone. Me, you. Oh my god, yeah! I think I should have saved like the plushie or the leggings for last, because those were the most exciting items. This one is a scarf. I wanted a new black scarf. This is the... how's it called? This is the Helsinki hooded scarf. So it's a scarf with a hood. This cat is called Israel Cushion. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. I'm trying my best. So I just wanted a new scarf and I thought this one was cool. So this is it. Oh, this is the... how do you call this? The price... it's not a price tag, but... tag? Yeah, it's different. This one is different from the leggings one. Oh my god, this is huge! They only had one size, like everything, the wallet, the cat and the scarf, it's all one size. The only thing that I chose a size was the leggings. It's like, this is the hooded part, and then you have the rest of the scarf. Okay, let me try it on. Let me try it on right now. So, let me see. I'm not like I should be doing this in the mirror. Yeah, I think this is it. You put it on your head and you're like, yeah. And the price tag is appearing here. Wait a second. Complications. Okay. So yeah, it's you put it on your head, and the rest of it's here, and you can just put it around your neck and stay warm for the winter. This is polyester as well. I thought it was a different material from what they had written on the website. You can see it's like this. Sometimes the pictures on the website can't really show how it is, but you can see it's a knitted and stretchy material. And it almost looks like acrylic or wool. It seems to be warm. I can't really tell because I just opened the bag and I'm just seeing it for the first time. It's huge. It's very big. I like to have long scarves, so I have space to roll it around my head and use it all over my body if I want. Yeah. So this is what I got from Killstar. Don't forget to tell me which of these items was your favorite. And I will see you when the next box arrives, so we will unbox it together again.